Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the error code E07 on your Bosch dishwasher, don't worry, we've got you covered. This common issue can be a real headache, but with the right steps, you can fix it yourself and get your dishes sparkling clean again. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is error code E07? In Bosch dishwashers, this code usually signals a problem with the water inlet system. It means your machine isn't getting the water it needs to operate properly. This could pop up in 2025 models just like in older ones, so stay tuned for the latest tips. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common culprits include a faulty water inlet valve, which might be stuck or worn out, a clogged inlet filter that's blocking water flow, or even a kinked or blocked water supply hose. Sometimes, it's as simple as low water pressure from your home's plumbing system. Identifying the root cause is key to a quick fix. Alright, onto the solutions. Start by unplugging your dishwasher and turning off the water supply for safety. First, check the water inlet hose for any kinks or blockages, straighten it out if needed. Next, inspect and clean the inlet filter. It's usually located at the bottom of the machine. If that's clear, test the water inlet valve with a multimeter to see if it's getting power. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. Grab a compatible part from Bosch's website or a local appliance store. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to call in a professional technician, especially if you're dealing with electrical components. Remember, always prioritize safety and consult your dishwasher's manual for model-specific advice. There you have it, folks. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to banish that E07 error for good. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.